Hello, this is a very easy to understand tutorial on how to get started in the Prosperity 3 IMC Quantitative Trading Challenge. I'm not going to develop anything or do an example. I'm just going to explain to you, where you get your information and just a very easy way to get started. So the first thing you do is obviously go to the IMC Prosperity Challenge website, and this is you can just search for it, and this is the first link, and you'll log in. And getting to this point is pretty easy. So you enter this, I guess, like simulated world here, and there's gonna be there's sort of like a lot of things on the screen, but really all you need to know is that there's the dashboard button here. This is all you need, and and also this parrot here actually, but dashboard has most of the information. So when you click on the dashboard, firstly, this is also confusing. These are the rounds. So every 3 days, I believe, there's a new round, and when you code, this is where you upload your Python file. It's just a single file that you upload here, and I'll explain to you how you decide, like how do you code this program. And going down, you're going to see these two things if you've never uploaded any program. So the first thing is just a very high level overview of the challenge. There's no actual like useful information in here. And then there's tutorial information. And actually this is useful for the Discord server. And okay, so next is the parrot, as I was saying. Actually, no, it's the Prosperity wiki. So if you click on the parrot, this Prosperity wiki, it was also on the dashboard, I believe, at the bottom. I just missed it. Yeah. So you click on this. This has the majority of the information. And the two main things that you want is writing an algorithm in Python and the rounds here. So the rounds are what tells you the current like the description of the current market. So if you go to tutorial round, which is all we have currently, because it hasn't started, you can see that this is equivalent to basically having two stocks. So rainforest resin and then kelp. And it gives you a description of these two. So rainforest resin is very stable, and then kelp is volatile. So it goes up and down. And then it gives you like a bit of information on position limits. But that's it. So this is all you need to know. And to get started coding, you would go to writing an algorithm in Python. And this is a lot of documentation. So if you're not comfortable with documentation, this competition is going to be very hard for you. You need to read all of the description of these different classes on how to implement your algorithm. So the trader class is the most important, and then the run function. But you need to understand more than just this: trading states, order depth, observation, and it goes on and on. And you really need to get familiar with this. At the bottom here, there is two examples on how to develop a very simple strategy. And so you sort of code this, you put it in a main.py Python file, and you would then go to the website here and upload algorithm and upload file. And then you would select your Python file. Once you do upload it, it's going to take, I don't know, a few minutes. And to see your results, it's going to appear in this log book. So at first, you're only going to see like tutorial information and tropical TV episode. But every time you run a new algorithm, it's going to stack on top of this. So I've ran it a few times. And then if you click on one, let's say this one, then you can see your results. And I believe, and then this is like the back testing data. You can just download it here and look at it. And one more thing, there is also a log file, if I can find it maybe. Upload algorithm. Okay, right here. So once you upload, you can download your log file, and this is whatever you printed in your code. That's it.